little close. A little close. Oh, can we see you through the toys? There you are. Oh, that's better. I had it on Zoom. Let's get the blanket out of here. Can you show Auntie Terry how much you like your chair? Hey, baby. Maybe this is a better angle. Hi. You like your chair, don't you? Oh, his little legs kicking. Getting the spot out through the toys. What's the other noise that you like? You also like? Oh, you normally like that noise. Yeah.